Do you feel a flutter of nerves in social situations? Maybe your palms get sweaty or your heart starts to race. These are common signs of shyness. Does the thought of speaking up in a group make your heart race? You're not alone. Many people experience this kind of anxiety, and it can be quite overwhelming. Shyness is a common experience. It affects people of all ages and backgrounds. Whether you're at a social gathering, a meeting, or even a casual get-together, shyness can creep in and make you feel isolated. It can hold us back from forming meaningful connections and reaching our full potential. The fear of judgment or rejection often keeps us from stepping out of our comfort zones. The good news is that shyness can be overcome with time, patience, and the right strategies. You can learn to manage your shyness and even use it to your advantage. With a little effort and the right tools, you can build your confidence and navigate social situations with greater ease. Techniques like deep breathing, positive self-talk, and gradual exposure to social settings can make a big difference. This essay will guide you through practical tips and techniques to help you break free from shyness and embrace your true self. From understanding the root causes of shyness to practicing social skills, we'll cover it all. Remember, overcoming shyness is a journey, not a race. It's about taking small, consistent steps towards becoming more comfortable in social situations. Be patient with yourself, celebrate small victories, and keep moving forward. Each step you take brings you closer to a more confident and connected version of yourself. One of the first steps to overcoming shyness is accepting a simple truth. Not everyone will like you, and that's perfectly fine. This realization can be incredibly liberating. It allows you to stop wasting energy on trying to win over everyone, and instead focus on the people who truly matter in your life. It's easy to fall into the trap of believing we need everyone's approval, but this is an impossible standard to meet. The pressure to be liked by everyone can be overwhelming and can lead to unnecessary stress and anxiety. Social media often exacerbates this feeling, making us believe that we need to present a perfect image to the world. Trying to please everyone often leads to a shrinking back and hiding our true selves. We may start to avoid social situations or hide our opinions and feelings, fearing judgment or rejection. This behavior can make us feel isolated and disconnected from others. Instead, focus on being genuine and authentic. Embrace your unique qualities and let them shine. When you are true to yourself, you will naturally attract people who resonate with your authenticity. These are the relationships that will be meaningful and fulfilling. When you embrace your individuality, you'll attract people who appreciate you for who you are. These connections are based on mutual respect and understanding, rather than a superficial need for approval. You'll find that your relationships become deeper and more rewarding. Remember, the right people will connect with you based on your genuine self, not a fabricated version designed to please everyone. Authenticity fosters genuine connections and creates a sense of belonging. It allows you to build a support system of people who truly care about you. Let go of the need for universal approval and embrace the freedom that comes with authenticity. By doing so, you will experience a newfound sense of peace and confidence. You will no longer be held back by the fear of rejection, and you will be free to live your life to the fullest. Shyness often stems from a fear of judgment. We worry about what others might think of us, leading to anxiety and self-doubt. Becoming more self-aware can help break this cycle. Start by paying attention to your thoughts and feelings in social situations. What triggers your shyness? Are you worried about saying the wrong thing? Are you afraid of being judged? Once you identify your triggers, you can start to challenge negative thoughts. Remind yourself that everyone makes mistakes and it's okay to not be perfect. Focus on engaging with others authentically rather than trying to impress them. Section 4. Embrace your strengths and practice self-care. Building confidence is crucial for overcoming shyness. A great way to boost your self-esteem is to focus on your strengths and passions. What are you good at? What do you enjoy doing? Engaging in activities you excel at and enjoy can remind you of your capabilities and boost your self-worth. When you feel good about yourself, it shows in your demeanor and interactions with others. Self-care also plays a vital role in building confidence. Taking care of your physical and mental well-being provides a solid foundation for personal growth. Get enough sleep, eat nutritious foods, and engage in activities that bring you joy and relaxation. Section 5. Stepping stones to confidence, practicing conversations. Like any skill, communication improves significantly with practice. Don't expect to become a social butterfly overnight. Start by setting small, achievable goals for yourself. Engage in more conversations with people you feel comfortable with, like friends and family members. Ask open-ended questions, listen attentively, and share your own thoughts and experiences. As you gain confidence, challenge yourself to step outside your comfort zone. Strike up conversations with acquaintances or make an effort to chat with someone new. Remember, every interaction is an opportunity to practice and improve your social skills. Section 6. Dive into the social pool, attending events and engaging in discussions. Attending social events can feel daunting when you're shy, but it's an excellent way to meet new people and practice your social skills. Start by choosing events that genuinely interest you, whether it's a book club meeting, a workshop, or a local festival. Focus on the activity or topic at hand rather than your own anxieties. Ask questions, share your perspectives, and actively listen to others. Don't be afraid to initiate conversations or join in on existing ones. Remember, everyone is there to connect and engage. By participating, you open yourself up to new experiences and friendships. Section 7. Conclusion. Your journey to confidence starts today. Overcoming shyness is a journey that requires patience, self-compassion, and consistent effort. It's not about transforming yourself overnight, but about making steady progress. Each step you take, no matter how small, is a victory. Embrace the process and be gentle with yourself. Understand that everyone has their own pace and path. Remember, you don't have to become the life of the party overnight. It's perfectly fine to take your time and find your own rhythm. Observe, learn, and gradually immerse yourself in social settings. The goal is to feel comfortable and authentic, not to meet others' expectations. Focus on making small, gradual changes that feel comfortable for you. Start with simple actions like making eye contact, smiling, or saying hello. These small gestures can build your confidence over time. Each small step forward is a significant achievement. Embrace the power of acceptance, knowing that not everyone will like you, and that's perfectly okay. It's important to be true to yourself and not seek validation from others. Authenticity attracts genuine connections. Cultivate self-awareness to identify and challenge negative thoughts that fuel your shyness. Journaling can be a powerful tool to reflect on your experiences and emotions. Therapy or talking to a trusted friend can also provide valuable insights and support. Celebrate your strengths, practice self-care, and engage in activities that bring you joy and boost your confidence. Whether it's through yoga, painting, or gardening, find what makes you happy and make time for it. These activities can be a source of comfort and empowerment. Step outside your comfort zone by practicing conversations and attending social events that pique your interest. Start with smaller gatherings and gradually move to larger ones. Practice makes perfect, and each interaction will make you more confident. The path to overcoming shyness is paved with small victories and continuous growth. Celebrate each milestone, no matter how minor it may seem. These achievements are the building blocks of your confidence. Embrace the journey, be kind to yourself, and watch as you blossom into a more confident and connected individual. Your journey to confidence starts today, and with each step you are becoming the best version of yourself.